Today I'm going to be showing you a super effective mask that's going to make your skin glow in a few minutes. It's beautiful, it's luxurious, and it's going to make you feel amazing. But before we start, please subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, you know the drill. Okay guys, so let's get started with our simple face pack. I'm taking half a banana, cutting it in half, peeling and throwing it into the mixer. I am going to take now some besan or chickpea flour. For all of you abroad, you will get this at any Indian grocery store, or Asians also use it, so any ethnic store. And a pinch of turmeric. The brown sugar I'm going to keep aside and add it much later. I'm now going to add some yogurt to this. And I'm going to blend it very smooth. And here it is, our mixture. Out of the mixer, I've put it in a bowl. I'm now going to mix the brown sugar into it. Actually, this is palm sugar. You can use brown sugar also. Like, it's not a big deal. The sugar component is what is important. Mix it up. And it's ready. Okay guys, I'm going to apply this goop on my face. Just get like everywhere on your face. As thick a layer as possible. It's going to dry out because of the chickpea flour eventually. While I'm applying this, I'm going to tell you some of the benefits. Banana is rich in vitamin B12. It's rich in potassium, magnesium, and in general is known for its benefits in curing acne and closing pores. So the mash is going to do a very good job for your face. I've added chickpea flour to it to kind of like give the pack a bit of consistency. Also, it dries out really well and sucks out impurities. And turmeric in general just helps brighten the entire face. Also, I've added yogurt and sugar to it because they both really leave my skin feeling very soft always. Sugar always does. So any form of sugar on the face is amazing. And now I'm going to be waiting for 30 minutes. The mask should be tacky and almost... Okay guys, so this is the final result. My skin is feeling so soft and like, if you touch it, like everything's tight and smooth and moisturized, and it's like I've gotten some luxurious treatment done to my face. Trust me, this pack is amazing. I need to jump into the shower to get myself fully clean, but just like, it's so good. Like, please try it. Please try this at home because this is by far one of the best results I've had with a face pack. So nice, so fresh, so clean. Okay, so make sure you try this at home and I will post more of these remedies for you. I better shower because I'm like all bananaed out. Okay, but please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please support me and try these recipes. Comment below if you've tried it and if you want to try it or you have any questions. Comment, get interactive and support me. Thank you so much. Bye.